Area of a circle. So the area formula for a circle is the following. It is pi r squared. Now pi is a number that looks like this. And then it just goes on forever, right? It has infinite digits. Now radius is the r, right? Which is just half the diameter of the circle, right? And so if we had a circle, right, this would be the radius. Now, pi comes from a ratio. So it's the ratio of the circumference, which is the whole, right, perimeter of the circle, to the diameter of the circle. So this will always equal this number, this ratio. And so we use this number to calculate things with circles. So let's look at the first example. So we have the cylinder's diameter, which is 4 inches. Find the area of the top of the cylinder. So that means we're solving for all of this. Now, if we have the diameter, which is 4 inches, the radius is going to be, right, just half of this. So that's going to be 2. So in order to solve for our area, we have pi r squared, so 2 squared. Well, if we just took care of the exponent first, we have pi, and then 2 times 2, which is 4, right? Because exponent is just, right, we're just having 2 copies of 2 being multiplied together. So that's 4. So now we have 4 pi. So let's get our calculators out. So we have 4 times, I'm going to put the number first, and then you can see this little pi button right here. But you can go ahead and just calculate that. See how it's 3.14 and just continues on. And it just continues on forever. So we have 3.14 equals, so 12.57, as we're going to round to the nearest hundredth. And now this is inches squared. Now what if we actually did 3.14 times 4? Sometimes what people just do is they use this number instead of pi. So 3.14 times 4, which is equal to 12.56. Now, you can see that we're very close to the same, right? We're just a little off, but that's just because this number, right, pi, if we use that one, has a lot more decimal places. And so it makes sense that it would be a little bit bigger. But this is a hundredths place value, so it's really not that much of a difference. And so when you plug in your numbers, you can either do pi or you can use 3.14, and WALMAP will take both answers. Now let's do the last example. So example 2, the gasoline tank's diameter is 10 inches. So what's the area? Well, if area equals pi r squared, we have the diameter of 10 inches, so the radius is just half of that. So r is equal to 5. So we have 5 here squared. So pi times 5 squared, well, 5 squared is going to be 25. So let's get our calculators out. We have pi times 25, and we get 78.54 inches squared.